Hello and welcome back to Destination Modified. Today we're working on this heap of shit again. Luckily enough it is actually working now. What we're going to do is adjust all the suspension to fit up with the CR2Ps. As you would have noticed from the previous test. You ruined my flow, mate. F***ing hell. So you would have noticed from the last video on the S15 the advans were on the car. It's because we've not got the suspension dialed in for the CR2Ps yet, so we're going to do that today. We also have a few other jobs, but I don't know if we'll get around to them in this video, or if it is, we've changed clothes and it's a completely different day. Because it is late as it is already, so we're going to get as much as we can done on the car today. And you would have noticed this little beast in the background. This is Callum's missus's car.
She's a beauty, like. The car.
The car's a missus. Right.
Both really, but mainly the car.
Yeah, you're definitely getting battered after this result. Right, cut to the next bit. Yeah.
This is what it feels like to be you. The highways.
You're a d***. Hello and welcome back to Destination Modified.
The bullying of Callum. Right.
Right, what are we doing, Callum?
Well, what I'm doing, you're just recording.
Cheerleader as always.
Just gonna how it works. Nah, I'm joking, you're a good help. Says it non-sarcastically. Going to get the wheels and everything off, because it's still got the advans on it. We're gonna get all the, gonna fire the CR2Ps on. It should be in that corner. Probably just collecting dust, but this is what it is.
Let's hope not.
Yeah. Gonna fire them on, we'll put the ramp and everything down, see, I know for a fact it's going to need adjustment because we raised it all before it went down the road, didn't we? For these
it's MOT.
Ah, yeah. So we'll take these off, put them on, we'll put it down the ground, we'll see what we've got to work with because it'll need a fair bit of adjustment in terms of height and camber. And then obviously we're going to get it fully dialed in with it, you know, in terms of alignment wise. I don't know if we're going to maybe go for a fast road setup. Just
why?
Kind of
Apart from
that extra grip when you go from 0 to 60 in about 15 seconds when you're driving.
He's right.
You know it.
Nah, we'll fire them on. It should be quite interesting to see how much. I think it'll need quite a bit of camber. What are your offsets? 20? ET 20?
18 by 9.5, ET 20 all round.
Aye, whereas before they were less than that, were they? Was it less of an offset?
It was ET 20 on the front, ET 30 in the rear.
Aye, so you kind of got away with it. But this time camber's going to be not mad. I don't think it'll need that much because there were quite a bit in anyway, but it will need a fair bit. But we've already previously, if you fire up there, because we cut all these arches, not the arches, but the plastic trims. Is the camera even picking it up?
Not really.
Didn't think it would, to be fair.
It's just awfully dark.
Aye. Well, anyway, we trimmed this all away. Don't worry about that. It's alright.
Oh, it's Lena.
Yeah, we trimmed all that away previously anyway because it started to rub on the tyre slightly. So that might need a wee bit more trimming, I don't know, just with the new... Well, the offset in the front's the same, so we should be alright, but the back might be slightly different. But you want to keep these, well, as OE as possible, didn't you? And obviously it keeps all the dirt and the crap and that away, really. So we'll fire it on, we'll see what's going to go. Enjoy.
Yeah. Sometimes I get so mad, there's no controlling me. My thoughts get so bad, I'm like, I might grab a bat, I don't know. My wrath, my blood boils over like, oh God, here goes. I lost all feeling from my head to my toes. You said some shit that I can't let go, so just stay tuned for the rest of the show. So have you ever felt betrayed? Switches how you see things.
Speak.
What do you want me to say?
This side's done.
This side's done. We're going to the next one. Hell, mate. I don't know what you want me to do, like. quick as that. There you go.
Why something needs change? 'Cause I know you got me f***ed up. Let me show you what's up. 'Cause enough is enough. I'll take a face full of pavement just to make a statement. I know there's no turning back. Oh God, adrenaline wasted, so mad I can taste it. I know there's no turning back. I'll do what it takes to make.
Kelvin, no.
Oh, missed.
They're right beside me, I know. Right. Ready for the next one?
Go on then.
It's quite a lot for me, this can work on its own.
That was super heavy.
Mistakes like that, I'll put it on your face to make you go take it back. I'll lose my shit, I go crazy when I'm mad. And now you go wish you would shut the fuck up real bad.
Makushti. So, as you can probably tell, there's a fair bit of poke like. You can't, did you get to that?
Yeah.
Did you see that? That's fine. So anyway, put the wheels on. Obviously all round, we'll fire it down, see where we're at, see what we need to do adjustment wise. Don't need a fair bit more. It needs to kind of be, if you come to the front, we're going to kind of have the back more or less set to what the front is now. The front looks, it'll be like a nice kind of, obviously we'll try and get away with not quite as much camber just between the back wheels. Front's not too bad, like, but we'll try and get as much, get away with as camber. Your arches are already rolled.
Yeah.
So we'll get away with that. It's a good thing, like it's a bonus. But we'll get it all dialed in. Again, enjoy the next bit.
Looks like a monster truck.
That's it set up, that's it done.
Yeah, so we had to raise this for its MOT April-ish time.
When you last had it on the road.
Yeah, when it actually did run, so it's been a while. But yeah, we're closing stages.
Yeah.
Nearly good to go.
Yeah, thank God, man.
Yeah.
It's been a while, like.
Oh,
That'd be good, it looks sick.
it's gonna look banging.
We need it to be though. This is what I'm trying to figure out. This one's 590. Yeah? We need this to be. How low are you wanting it? Low?
On the deck.
On the deck, right. So 500 to the top of the lip there. So that's what we'll go to.
Yeah, please don't.
Yeah.
Nah, tuck tire.
Aye. So I'm reckoning we go to 570. That'll be like a good, solid fitment. So this needs 20mm drop on the front. All right.
Look at that curly, gorgeous hair.
Try to tell me, mate.
Oh, mate,
Naturally.
you're not in focus. Hold on.
Oh, focus,
I've just stood on something.
We good? You got me?
Look at this fuck. Mate, the camera doesn't even like it. It doesn't want to focus on it.
Eh? That's obviously no seen yours.
Mate, you're like not focusing at all.
Why not?
I don't know.
You want manual focus, you I mean, that's what you've got to deal with. We good? We recording? Or are you trying to focus? Ooh.
Look at the specimen.
You're a big, fat, curly-headed.
Mate, that is abuse.
Then you could put that bit in for stepbrother.
Yeah, definitely. But this one here is 590 bro, so this one here needs to drop 20mm and all. 20mm bro. 20mm. 20mm. Oh, this one needs to drop 10mm. 10mm. Okay, you writing this down?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Memorised.
This one needs to drop 30 mil. Okay?
Sweet.
What are they? What was the passenger front?
Drop it 100 mil all around. Hockey pucks. Just take out the coilover.
I mean, what's the point? We'll take the shockers. We'll just take everything out.
Yeah.
Right? And you know what? We'll run it on the discs. Be fine. The car is on the ground with the new wheels on. We've went around, measured it all. I could not get that out there. Went around, measured it all. They're all actually all over the place. I don't know who adjusted them for the MOT. But anyway, they were not right. So we've got to adjust them a fair bit, around an inch. On the rear it's got to drop by about an inch. On the front it's got to drop by...
You wrote this down 2 seconds ago.
No, what I'm saying is they're about the same. Like, they're about an inch sort of ish, but then we'll have to fine tweak it to make sure for your needs, Kelvin, because you're picky.
A little bit.
Right. Anyway, so we'll get all that done, all dialed in. Measurements are looking fine. We should be sweet. We should be all good to go. I felt like I was looking down quite a lot there. Cheers, mate.
Take smoke, I'ma poke a hole through you, choking's overdue. Come at me and you won't get any older, dude. Crack your holder too. Heating up inside of me, blood so violently. Thanks for trying me. Now it's finally time to see how this rivalry becomes a dynasty.
Might have to fast forward this a bit, like, you know what I mean?
No, this is thrilling to watch.
Yeah, that's what I mean.
I'm sure the viewers will think the same.
Well, I mean...
Don't worry, we'll only just put one in, we'll speed up the rest. Or not show it at all, because this is even sending me to sleep. So the sun is kind of setting outside. It's been a bit of a while. So we've changed it several times. Just to make sure it's kind of basically perfect, and I've been seriously picky, so Callum's probably hating me right now because it's getting rather late, but we move. So we're gonna drop it down, see what it fits like, and then take it a quick run just to make sure it's not rubbing. But go on, Callum. Go for it. So that is the front. And the rear is tucking a fair bit of tyre. So...
Not quite the polo like, but it's alright.
There we go. Right, let's take it a run and see if it starts scrubbing the shit out of the arches.
Next video will be the respray of the rear arches, but it'll be alright. We're fine, man. It's all part of the process, my friend. It's all part of the process. Nah, it actually looks unreal.
It does look so good.
Fair play, like, fair play.
Damn! Right, let's get these shutters open and we'll take it a run. So what has happened, Callum? We've opened the shutters. Why am I not outside?
Well, you see, these come out of here,
Yeah.
right? Wait a minute. These ones in the front here, oh, they're not really fitted.
Yeah, they're kind of stuck. So we're going to have to get them out first, then take it a run. Nightmare.
You're recording, yeah?
Aye.
Rip that splitter off, baby.
Yeah.
Don't go down that hole there. Is it missing?
I'm away from it.
Said.
I'm away from the hole.
Yeah. Go straight.
Run right, scrub it.
Ah, it's at the inner though, it's not actually hitting the actual.
Might have to come off a bit at the front.
Wee bit.
It definitely needs to come off at the front. So, as you seen from that last clip, not all went to plan. So it was rubbing a lot on the front, so we're going to raise the front up 5mm and raise one of the back rears 10mm, and then we should be sweet. We'll take it on our quick run just to make sure it's not rubbing still. This man is actually hating me right now, and I'm also hating myself, so it's fine. Sake! So, it is night time. Yep. Today did not go to plan. As you can see, we've got the wheels on. Looks sick. Sits really nice. Sits a bit too low in the front, but we've had to out with the alignment for the last knows how long.
Not the alignment, the height.
Yeah.
You haven't done the alignment yet. Now you got to that stage, you're jumping far too ahead.
Yeah, so the height's a bit of an issue. The inner lip of the wheels is hitting the actual coilover, which is not ideal obviously. So I'm going to have to order up kind of slip-on spacers or something like that. They're ET20 on the front. We did think they would clear because my old wheels were Kiwamis, just the one-piece version, and they cleared fine, but obviously we've ran into an issue with the CR2Ps, so we'll get the slip-on spacers ordered and then we'll hopefully get it running. Honestly, this car fights me every single time. Honestly, it's not been a single show this year. Piece of shit. But we'll get there. We'll get there. Right.
Said that for a few weeks, like, man.
F*** guy. I said that months ago.
Yeah. Just like, comment, subscribe please, hit the bell icon, get the next video.
We really appreciate all the support, and do a subscribe and a like because I am having an absolute nightmare of a time with this, and it will probably go towards my therapy. Thanks very much.
Boy needs it. So do I.
See you later.
Be in it. I'm in it. Come on in.
Hello. Please.
What do you mean hello?
Why?
What? There's no
Why
point
have
saying
I started
hello.
that? Yeah.
Just keep it going, you'll be fine, man. Just get on with it.
I'll get back.
And go. This time.
Action.
Go.
I was going to say hello again.
You wouldn't mind passing me that tape, would you? While you're standing there doing that.
Absolutely not.
Kelvin.
Catch you later, mate.
Kelvin, this is your camera. Kelvin! I feel like Blue Peter, Joe used to shout across the TV. What's it going to be? Game over.
Blue Peter, mate.
I've got the badges,
throwback.
mate.
It's a shame about the perm.
Mate, it's natural. What am I supposed to do about it? I mean, you just folk pay for this.
I don't know why.
I don't know why either, but they do.